So I'm choosing health and fitness. Okay, so once you have opened health and fitness products, just choose which product you want to go for. So in this case, I have choose this product called the Custom Keto Diet. It has a very good gravity of 364.80 and thousands of affiliates are making money. I just opened this Custom Keto Diet right in front of your eyes and you can see that. Look at the days that they're getting: 17k per day, 20k per day. Okay, the highest days I think is 21k down here. And I guess this could be an affiliate account or this could be their vendor account, whatever, who cares. But yes, they are making thousands of dollars online. All right, so this method is about building a free money-making website. Now, which tool are we going to use to do this? We're going to use a tool that not just allows you to build a website, that will give you credit by getting you free traffic. Let me ask you this question. Who owns YouTube? Google. Why do you think when someone creates a video on YouTube, suddenly it starts getting views, traffic, and it's easy to rank those videos on the YouTube and Google platform? Do you know why? It's because Google owns it, so Google gives credit and priority to YouTube over everything else. Same here. We're going to build a website using Google. That's right. You probably never heard of this. I'm going to show you how to. So when you build a website using Google, Google's going to start giving you credit, and slowly it's going to start giving you a traffic, and you're going to start building. And guess what? Google will start to not just give you credit, start ranking your website for specific keywords on their search results, giving you priority over everyone else just because you have used their platform to create a website. Okay, so we're going to go to this website called here, sites.google.com. Okay, you could build a brand new free money making website. Okay, so once you are here, I'm going to choose a template. It's very simple. I'm going to come here. All right, and we're going to get to this quickly. So once you are here, it's very, very simple and very easy to do all of this. So first of all, I'm going to choose the site name. So I'm going to put Custom Keto Diet because that's what I want to my website, my blog to be all about. All right. But before I do Custom Keto Diet, I want to do some search. I want to do some kind of some search. I want to do some research on my keyword to see if there's any traffic. So there are so many tools to do that. I'm using one of the free tools down here to do my research. So I'm going to put the keyword down here and let's see what this has to offer. Okay, so I could see here that Custom Keto Diet is getting 720 searches per month in United States. This is just United States, okay? So not bad, all right? And then I've got some more, basically more keywords down here. So I could choose a long tail keyword, something like personalized keto diet free or custom keto diet reviews. Okay, I could choose something like that, and then my website, my blog could rank for several of these keywords. Just for now, I'm just gonna put custom keto diet, okay, free. Let's just put that. Okay. Then I'm going to change this and I'm going to put custom keto diet. Let's just make this bold. Okay, that's looking better. Let's go to the themes, change the color, and there you go. All right. So that's how it is. That's how simple it is. I want to add some more text down here, so I'm just going to drag this. All right, and then now you could put an image here. All right, so for that purpose, you could just go to custom keto diet affiliates. All right, sign up for the affiliate, and then you're going to come to a page like this. Just go to the banner section, and let's just choose one of the banners down here. I'm just going to copy this. Look how simple this is. Okay, so remember, because this is owned by Google, Google's going to give you a lot of credit, because we're gonna go for this keyword here, custom keto diet. Now you could choose any keywords you want. Just going to come here, I'm going to click on this, going to go upload, and just look for that image. There you go. Okay, there you go. Now down here I could put, what is custom keto diet? All right, and then down here I'm going to put my entire text. That's how simple this is. So let me just bold this so it looks much better, and I'm just going to come back here and look at this. This is a win-win situation. The person who owns custom keto diet is giving me everything that I need to go out there and promote this product, and it's a win-win situation, just because he wants to make money and he knows that he will make money whenever you make money. Okay, so he's giving me everything that I could go out there, so I could start creating these kind of things. So look at this, he's giving me the articles as well. So I'm just going to take one article from here. Okay, so this is a zip as well. Let's just go here and just take one article from here. So you might be asking yourself this question.